How did you approach mixing the Snore of Babylon?
The Snore of Babylon was given a lot of consideration due to the fact of me recording this on several different microphones. For example, Lie to Me and the Blues of Babylon, I recorded that at home on my, actually I made a SM25 resemblant microphone that I assembled, and that gave me a lot of low end. So mixing that, I kind of boosted the highs for those two songs. The Starry Night and Out of Babylon were recorded on a Cascade Fathead. I See the Light with Messiah Sparks, we did that on a Shure. I forget the model exactly. It was one of their better condenser microphones. And as far as Holy Investigation with Mooney Mercury, baby, he's from Florida, so he sent me his vocal stems when I asked him to be on this track. And so I had to mix it accordingly, but he sent me a great mix of his vocals already, because I know he engineers himself. So mixing this was definitely another world of its own.
Did you name a tourist attraction in New York?
I think one of the main tourist attractions here in New York is Rockefeller Center. There's a whole lot going on in that area, especially during Christmas time when ice skating is available. Also, there's the Macy's parade, so you do window shopping. Well, right now we're here at Coney Island, and there's people on the boardwalk with iguanas. I've never seen this before, but we're actually having a great day here on the first day of the Snore of Babylon tour. And I would say definitely Rockefeller Center, though, is number one.
What vocal mic do you prefer?
There's actually not one set vocal mic that I prefer. I mean, I'll give an example, like the Cascade Fathead microphone. I really felt experimental using that one, because that ribbon mic is generally for electric guitars, but I think it captured the low end of my voice. But honestly, if it had to come down to one choice, I would probably pick an AKG 414. I definitely like that microphone all around. Any condenser pretty much goes for me.
So what's the next move for today?
I think it's time for me to go grab some ice cream. It's been a pretty long day. It's like almost 6 o'clock. And yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy the sunlight that we have left in August. So, peace.
Facts.
Hollis, Queen Village, and on UPS Arena, Full Park, UI Park, Mineola, Westbury, Hicksville, Syosset, Cold Spring, Auburn, and Huntington, now running track 8. Once again, Hollis customers, only the first 4 cars will open at Hollis. The last 6 cars of the train will not open at Hollis Station. Please allow customers to leave the train.